All right. So, what is the question that every trader, every day trader, is asking uh, him or herself practically all the time?
Direction?
That's right. And right. So, all right. So, all right. So we have a rally from 31 to 39. Sure, that's great, right? But let me ask you a question. Who cares that the price has already rallied from 31 to 39 already?
No
Well,
one
I'll,
does.
I'll tell you who. Whoever went long already 31, he cared, right? It's already in a trend, right? So that's the only time that we, as day traders, um, look at what has already happened. Other than that, what? King? Who? Mistake? What's up?
Yeah,
What, we have a guest today?
we do.
All right. What's his nickname?
Louis A.
Louis. Yeah. All right. All right. So good morning, Louis. You're a guest here today. All right. All right. So well, let's make sure that that you take full advantage of your free trial. Okay. And enjoy the morning session. All right. So welcome, buddy. As a matter of fact, do me a favor. Get back to go ahead. I'm gonna be asking you a question. Make sure that you're following, that you're here. Everything is okay, and then just let Mystique know that you heard what I said.
Yeah,
you?
just message me. You
Oh.
just message me.
Oh, okay. So what? How do I respond? That's what you say. All right. No, you just every time I ask you a question, you just go ahead and you text a mistake and I say, yeah, good, check mark. I heard it. All good. Whatever you want to say. I just want to make sure, Louis, that whatever I am saying to you, I'm not wasting my time because you are in another 3 rooms. You know what I mean? So in other words, we are professional day traders. All right, and the rule number one to make it in this room is to focus 100%. So I need your entire, full-on, complete concentration. If you are multitasking, if you are in another room, if you want to check us out, but you don't want to miss what other gurus are saying out there, all that garbage, you're gonna miss everything here. As simple as that. All right. So I'm gonna make sure that you are here with me for this entire section. All right. So I'm gonna be asking you a couple of questions. You do a check mark to the stick that tells me that you are here, that you're listening, and that way then nobody wastes any time. Done. All right. You got that? Go ahead. Tell me. Check mark with mistake. Did you hear what I just said, and did you agree? All right. I need to make sure that you just heard what I just said. All righty. All right. Sound test, everybody. Sound test, everybody. Is the sound okay?
Yep.
Is the sound okay? All right. So the sound is okay. All right. So the sound is okay, right? So everybody has sound. I haven't cut it. I haven't. My voice hasn't cut out, right?
Nope.
All right. Good. All righty then. No. All you have to do, Louis, is just a check mark. Yes. That's it. You don't have to repeat what I said. I just want to make, and this is the last time I'm going to tell you this. All I need to make sure that you are hearing everything I'm saying. When I ask you a question, you text Mystique and you say yes. Or and why, so that we make it really fast. That's it. That's all I need to know. That you are here and that you are not multitasking. So, ladies and gentlemen, price is going to continue going all the way to 44. Oh my God, look at all the time that I wasted. Listen, so we have a, 45 is a predetermined pivot resistance. All right, so in other words, every time, right, we are analyzing the action, then we can see, right, that since 840, the price has gone up all the way from 30 to 40, 10 points, right? All righty then. So I opened the room at 9 when the price was 36, and then what I was saying is that that if you're not in a trade, if you're not long already 30, 31, right? Then you want to know by the time, is this, in this case, is this rally, is it going to continue? Question number one, right? Mistake, because a rally is direction already, right?
Correct.
Rally is the price moving up.
That's correct.
Is this rally, is this move up, is it going to continue? Right? From right here, from 38, 39, right here, look, price right now, 39. Boom, price right now, 40. Is it going to continue? It's question number one. And question number two, if it's going to continue, where the hell is it going to go? I just told you 2 minutes ago. Didn't I tell you 2 seconds ago it was going to go to 44?
To 45, yeah. 44.
44
Yeah.
and 45 is a predetermined resistance.
Yes.
The price comes right back here to 39, right? So right at that time, Louis, right at that time that you know, hey, this is a continuation. Price is going to break out of 37. Price right now is 39. When I told you, price is going to continue going to 44. So we are, right now, we're all long 39. I just told everybody that the price is going to go to 44. Price right now, 43 quarter. What, like 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half ago?
Yeah.
So you gotta, so you see what I mean, Louis? You have to be, if you flinch, you lose. That's it. If you flinch, you lose. All right, so 39, it's a breakout, and I told you, we need to know 2 things, right, Mystique? Number one, is it gonna continue? And if the answer is yes, then question number 2 is, where is it gonna go? I mean, that's just trading 101.
Correct.
So what do we have here? Well, we have direction up, entry 39, destination 44, 45. So in other words, we have direction, entry, and target. Where is the stop? Well, it was a break. What type of trade was it? It was a breakout, right? All right, so boom, price, nice, breaks 39. We all long 39 because I just said it's going to continue going to 44. 43 quarter, right? A stop, break even, let it ride. All right. Okay, so that's like trading 101, right? All right, so what else is important this morning? Well, there's a couple of things that are important this morning. All right, time right now, 9:20. Sometimes we have a trade going before the market opens. Sometimes we have a trade. Sometimes we have sometimes we have to wait for the market for the open, and sometimes we have to wait for the dust to settle. Okay, good, no problem. Right, we're clear on that. All right, terrific. All right, so 44, 45, right? So riding this baby all the way to 44, 45. Now, I am going to bring the 45 predetermined resistance. I'm going to bring it up 4 more points to 49. So I'm expecting the price to continue going, test 48, 44. It's not gonna be easy to break it, but I'm expecting the price, to eventually break it, and if we break it nicely at the open, that's even better, right? And a continuation to 49. Ladies and gentlemen, 49 is target 1. Okay, 49 is target 1. Okay, alrighty then, 49 is target 1. All right, testing 43 quarter again. All right, and listen to me. All right, all right, so Mystique, let me ask you a simple question.
Yes.
Is it possible that in 8 minutes at the open, with the volatility of the open, the price doesn't take 44, recoils, and drop 10 points?
Absolutely possible.
Of course it is. All right. So stop, break even, let it ride. Now this is where it's gonna get really nice. Until I say that the main play is no longer bullish, then we build back better. All right. So price comes. Let's say that the price comes at the open easily 5, 10 points is nothing at the open. We all know that. Drops, pull back. Why would the price do that? Well, are you kidding? Smart money knows that that there is a whole bunch of retail traders that went long. See, those who trade what they see. So they're long. Well, they're not gonna make it easy for them. So they have to pull back, take all their stops, and once they take all their money, then they bounce, U-turn, and then get started on that trip that they know they want to go to. 4, okay, 150. Alrighty. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, this 40, right? So 43, 44. Wait, ¿qué pasó aquí? 43, 44.
Ay, otra vez.
23. Sound of fucking.
No, it's.
Pues no sé.
El sound está on.
Okay, sí, pero el chart.
Sí.
Some test is good. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I'm gonna have to make another. I'm gonna make another.
Creo que no está sonando.
No, ¿qué coño me está sonando? Otra vez, todos los días en la mañana se va el carajito, ¿eh?
Pero no sé si es la internet lo que se está yendo, porque las dos cosas fallan.
Coño, será la mierda esta. Remember I said this move up, in my humble opinion, is gonna continue to 44, 45, and 49. Right? That's 44 to the tick mistake, right? All right, so this is the first attempt of the Bears to stop it, right?
45.
But we know better because we have direction, right? We have entry location, we have protection, we stop, we have destination, position size, always at the beginning. Of course, we got trade management and account management. So 49, ladies and gentlemen, I'm expecting the price not to clean break 49. That's not gonna happen. The odds are that that's not gonna happen. So 49 is not only a target, but we're gonna be counting on a retracement there. All right. We we need to take 46 clean. 46. We need to take 46 clean for the price to continue to our 49. And remember what I told you 2 minutes ago. This is the open, right? Mistake. Didn't I say this 2 seconds ago?
Yes, you did.
This is the open. We all know the open. We all know that the open can drop 10 points, 15 points, whatever, as many points. Because the smart money, they need to take the stops of the weak bears. Alrighty? Okay, so we have this pullback. It's not even 39. Remember that our entry long was the breakout of 39. Price comes right back to 40, right? Look at that. It's 39.75. It cannot take it because this is trading 101. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. We know that a breakout, in this case 39, was resistance, 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 boom, until I told you guys before the breakout that the price was going to break out. It's gonna break out 39 and it will continue going all the way to 45. Isn't that what I said, mistake?
That's exactly
39 to 45, that's 6 points. So what is 39 now? Well, 39 is support now. Okay, we build back better. BMC asked, right? Build back better. All right, build back better. We know this thing can go easily all the way back down to 39, 38, right? I'm not expecting this pullback to clean break the base, of course, that one right there, 31. Everybody can see it. That's easy, right? Right? So if the price comes right back down all the way to 31 and clean breaks 31, which I don't see it. Actually, it's not even 31, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Listen, what's going to invalidate direction, listen to this. What's going to invalidate direction is a clean break of 29. All right, so 29 is only 10 points below. So listen to this. As long as the price is above 29, there's no clean break of 29, then we are confident that the best position to have is a long position. Now, mistake. So we already got our first destination, 45, right? Price went to 45 half. Mm-hmm. We went long breakout 39, which is made 6 points. And look at the pullback of the open.
Yes.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Did we just talked about that 5 minutes ago?
We did.
Ladies and gentlemen, the open is coming. Don't let the smart money take your stop. But we know that the odds are that this move up is going to continue going up. Now, see, can I guarantee that, Misty? Of course not. This thing can easily drop all the way to 31, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to build back better. Because I'm expecting 31 is not going to be taken. Break of 29, we're not interested in being long anymore. A clean break of 29.
You have a bearish hangover.
All right. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's the price right now? Well, the price right now we can all see is 41, right? All right. Well, this high is not going to be taken. So, in other words, the main play is long, and right now, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot of bearish sentiment. Okay. Okay. What does that mean? Give it to me straight. Well, this high right here is not going to be taken. Scalpers are going to scalp short right now. So listen to this. Okay. The price is not going to take this new high that we have here, 46. It's not going to happen. And I'm expecting this pullback to continue going down. All right. So we're not going long 39 because the price is going to take this 40, right? It's going to bounce. Louis, bounce means when the price comes is coming down and then U-turns and go back up. Recoil means when the price is going up, it turns around, and then it starts going down. That's a recoil, all right? All right. So this pullback right here, the bears, they're gonna take it. It will take this low right here, this 39.5. It's gonna be taken. All right, and that's gonna be a counter trend short. Now, you don't have to get out of the long because the main play, I'm expecting it to continue being up to 45 and to 49. I still.
That's still your move.
Exactly. That's the main play. All right. So you don't have to counter trend if you don't want to. All right. But I'm gonna tell you. So remember, we not only want to know what the price is gonna do, but we want to know how it's gonna do it. This, right? Mm-hmm. Price pulls back right here to 40. Right? It's bouncing. Okay. So it's gonna bounce. It's gonna rally a little bit. It's gonna, for the bears, for the counter trenders, bearish, they want this bounce to continue going up all the way to 43, 44, and they're totally gonna short it. It might get there, it might not get there, but they're totally counting on the price to come back to 40, break it, and continue going down. All right? That's the counter trend. The main play is still our breakout 39 that we are expecting to bounce, right? Once the dust settles, go back to the high 45, 46, test it. It's not gonna clean break it because I just told you that bears are shorting right here, 42, 43, 44, because they are expecting the price to come back right down to 40, take it, and possibly continue all the way to 36. That's their bet. For us, it's a counter trend. Our main play is still long, back to test the high 45, break it, and continue to 49, which is what I said 10, 15, 25 minutes ago. However, we know how it's gonna be. Because remember, we're long, right? And we want the price to go test 45 and 46 and break it and continue to 49, right? Right? We want to let it ride to 39. Oh, this is a choppy open. So be on the look. This is a tough open. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. There is a lot of manipulation right now. There is not enough gunpowder to have the price follow through. All right? Those bears who shorted 40, they jumped the gun. They're uneasy right now. Those who waited for 43, just like I told you, they have a 3-point leeways, right? Look at that. They're short 43 instead of 40. So, they have a slightly better risk-reward ratio. Okay? That's a scalping counter trend. So because we are long and we are expecting the price to go back to 45, 46 break and 49, we want to know at all times what the hell are the bears doing? And that's exactly what they're doing. I told you, counter trend short 43, 44. Right? Right. Because the price is going to come back right down to 40 and it's going to take it. And we don't know where it's going to go because there is a lot of support around there. All right? So in other words, watch it. Main play is where you have your biggest position. If you want to take the counter trend, you don't have to take. There are a lot of trades that don't counter trend, right? The easiest thing is to counter trend if you know your level. Take it with the micros, right? take it with the micro. So that while we still wait for the price to go to our test the high 45, break and continue to 49, which is what our main play is, then we are taking advantage of the recoil that the price did at 43. Right?
Right.
Okay. Clean break of that 43, ladies and gentlemen, then a clean break of that 43, then I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 35. Clean break of 40, the price will go 5 points down. It's not gonna be easy. There's a whole bunch of little supports there. Look at that, Mystique. Oh my God, you have to look at all this stuff, but you have it right there, right?
Yes.
That's why he hasn't taken it yet. All right. So remember, we're always looking for 3 moves: the short term, medium term, and the long term. Okay. Right now, this is practically all scalping. There is no gunpowder. There is no juice behind anything here. This is going to be a choppy open. Chop, chop. This is going to be a chop. 35, 45. Okay? So the market is going to test the patience and the skills of the astute trader this morning. Okay? And that is pretty much how the cookie crumbles.
Mm-hmm.
All right? Alrighty then. So, oh my God, but that's too much, Capi. How can you be long and short? All right. So the main play is at 39. So if the price breaks 39, we never let a winner turn into a loser, right? So the long position, right? Right. Clean break of 39. We know that the price is going to be looking to go all the way to 35, right? Whereabouts, right? So you're not going to let your main play that already gave you a breakout from 39 to 45, right? 6 point, a winner turn into a loser, especially since we know that bears are shorting 43, and we know it before it went 33. I told you. Hey, listen, when the price was at 48, price right now it's 40. It's going to bounce. It's going to rally a little bit. Bears are going to take advantage of the rally, and they're going to short 43, 44 because they are expecting the price to come back to 40, break it, and continue going down. All right? All righty then. Okay. We are all so we, the main players, those of us who are long 39 the break, expecting the price to go back up to the high test and break it and continue to 49, then what do we want? Man, we want this low right here to hold. It's not a strong, this 39.40, it's not a strong, it's not a swing low. It's a pivot low. All right? Which is weaker than a swing low.
Capi, I have a bullish vaccine booster.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So what do we bulls, those of us who want to let it ride all the way to 49, from 39, 49, 10 points, right? What do we want? Well, we want this pull back to 40 to become strong, right? Pairs right here, 43, 40. Those pairs that shorted 43 took the price all the way to 40, so they just made 3 points, right? And if you took it, you just made 3 points. Price comes right back up. You're not gonna let a winner turn into a loser. You are totally prepared to short 45, 46, because what we said in terms of the forecast of the counter trend, break 40, continue to 35, right? You don't have to take it. You want to concentrate on our main position, Just stay long, but be prepared. In other words, so we always, at all times, need to know exactly what the opposition is doing. Okay, because that's the way that we're gonna be able to uh, manage the main play, and we can also counter trend with that. All right, so look, Misty, didn't I say 43, 44, 45? Is that 45 to the tick, Misty? Tell me. Boom! Look at that. I told you. That's why we counter trend. 45 to the tick, and boom! Look at it. I told you it's not gonna take it. That's it. Back to 40, and look at the job, my friends. All right. So right now we are in a massive. Look at this chart. Let me see. 39. Listen, volatility is our best friend, but not all volatility is created equal. Chop is our worst enemy. Day trading, ladies and gentlemen, is not about trading every day, but the right day. I've been telling you that this 39, 46, this 7-point range that we've had is then I said this is what's to be expected.
Yes.
We are in a choppy open. Alrighty? Okay. Alright, but the good thing is that we are totally and completely prepared for whatever it is gonna happen. Alright? With the difference that we have a bullish bias. Alright? But we know that it's not gonna we know that trip to 49, that's not gonna be a follow through. That's not gonna be on a straight line. Call me crazy, but the price never goes anywhere substantial on a straight line, and that's what makes 99% of traders not make it. We all know that 99% of traders don't make it, right? All right, so it's been a tough open. This chop is absolute, the more the chop, the more, the more difficult it is, right? And look at that drop from 45 all the way to 39, right? 6 points in what? In 6 microseconds, right? Unbelievable. All right, so we have to continue. Remember what I told you 10 minutes ago. The market is going to test our patience this open. That's as simple as that. All righty? Okay. So it goes and goes and goes. Right, look at that. Boom. 45 again. Right? Oh my God, Capi, this time it's going to take it. Well, that's exactly what we want. Oh man, come on, man. Give me 49. Right? That's the that's a tough that's gonna be a tough ride, but that's okay. Hold on a second. But that's the cards that has been dealt today are this. All right. Look at Dynasty. 46. Boom. Cannot take it. Right. So not only we know where the price is going, we not only we know where the price is going, but we know exactly how the heck it's gonna get there. All right.
46.
Okay. Alrighty then. Boom, bam, bing. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So the Bears, they made 3-4 points a couple of times, right? The first time they went to 43, the second time it went to 45, and right now they're totally shorting 46. Remember what I told you? It's okay to force 46. Boom. Look at that mistake.
That's right.
It's unbelievable. How the hell is there a system that can tell you all of this? in advance, even in a choppy open. Look at that. Isn't it amazing?
It is amazing.
All right. I'm not blowing my own horn, but I'm telling you, all right, I've been trading for almost 40 years now. All right, this is my 38th year, something like that, and I've exclusively the S&P 500, and so I've known, I started coaching and reading the market for people in the year 2000, 23 years, right? So I know traders, and I know that 99% don't make it. Know that very well. Okay. Any trader with a little bit of experience understand that, oh my God, that's right. It's not enough to trade what you see. You have to trade what you think. All right. So don't let those teenagers on YouTube claiming that they are big shot traders. They're just parakeets. All right. They just repeat what they've heard a million times. All of that is garbage. Don't pay attention to any of that. All right. All right. So what was that, Missy? 46 half, right?
Yep.
Okay, 46 half. Oh my God, Capi, almost, man. This is horrible. Letting it right to 49, man. Look at it. We took that breakout 39, beautiful. When you said that the price was going to continue going to 45, and if I had gotten now, right there at 46, I'll be, up solid 7 points, man. Do you mind if I get out here, this high right here? Well, that's why we trade multiple contracts. Remember that the number one thing that average traders is they get out too soon. As soon as they have a couple of bucks, they get the hell out. They're scared shitless, right? So they take it, and then when they're losing, they start adding to a loser, and then they lose 10 times what they made. We are totally the opposite here, but you have to have coconuts, man. All right. All righty then. So we are in this. Now we are in this on this 39.47. That's gonna continue. It's gonna continue. There is no juice behind the bullish sentiment to take us to 49 the way we would like it to. Hey, listen, the market is different every single day. All right, so sometimes it has a lot of power behind certain setups. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's gonna chop you to death. And listen what I told you. Consistent, profitable day trading is not about trading every day. Although we trade here every single day. On the last 4 or 5 years, has there been a day that we haven't taken a trade? You think?
No.
It's unbelievable. Yeah. We have setups over there. However, we know when to increase our size and when to decrease it, because not every day it's conducive to a high probability outcome. All right. Look at this chop. Are you kidding me? Who's making money here? Look at this chop. This is crazy. I mean, I'm telling you, I haven't seen a chop today for some reason, whatever it is. We haven't seen a chop morning session like this one in a long time. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we had no idea that today was going to be so tough. Look at this chop, right? We had no idea. The only way for us to know whether today was going to be so tough open is by being here. That's it. That's all there is to it. All right. All right. So let's go to phase 7, and we're gonna continue, right? With the plan. All right. We're gonna continue with the plan, and we're gonna continue with the plan, and then we are, of course, we are all um, watching this action, right, like a hawk. All right. So why are we so profitable today? Why? Why are we so profitable today? Well, because we went long 39 at the break. Before the break, we knew that the price was going to go to 45, 46, and not take it easily. We are still longer term expecting the price to someday today continue to 39 if there's no a new reading, of course. We all know that the price is dynamic. It's changing all the time. This move up to 49 can easily not happen. We all know that. And that's why we are prepared and we know that being counter trend short, that 40, the high 40, 46 is it's a good tactic in case that there is a nasty drop. Then we get out of our main play long and we let the short ride all the way to 35. Right? Think about it. All right. Okay. So this is this is highly. Hold on a second. This is the highest professional day trading there is. All right. It doesn't get any. It doesn't get any more high quality than this. Okay. Now, Capi, I don't like counter trend. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just don't let a winner turn into a loser. Our breakout 39 already went to 46, right? That's 7 points.
That's right.
Okay, so make sure you keep it. All right. We don't know if this is it for today. All right. Okay. Well, we have pending home sales at 10 a.m. That's not a market mover, but we have to be cautious. Of course, we have to be really cautious of it. Alrighty? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, look at this chart. Are you kidding me?
Crazy.
Oh, please. Alrighty then. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So 39. It's a Okay, so everybody, listen. 39 just became a real important level. Okay. 39, ladies and gentlemen, is now 39 here. All right, so 39, ladies and gentlemen, is a key level. Key level means that it's a divider. 39 is going to divide direction. As long as the price is above 39, we are confident that the price is going to continue going up. Turtle, right? No follow through. We're not in an uptrend. This is as choppy as it gets. A lot of traders don't trade this because the odds of trading this type of market condition are really, really low. Chop is our worst enemy. We had no idea that today was going to be such a choppy open. Look at it. Half an hour and the price done nothing. Thank God we went long that 39 that gave us already 7 points, right? We want 2 more points. We want the price to go back to 46 and continue to 49. But before that happens, we have to put up with all of this. And you all know that the longer we are in a position, the riskier it gets, right? So anyway, so tough day today. We never know what kind of day we're gonna have, but it's as tough as it gets today. All right, all right. So do me a favor, Louis. Give me stick a check mark that you've heard everything that I've said all this half an hour. All right. Okay, dijo que sí. Ah, okay. All right. Thanks, Louis. Thank you very much, buddy. All right, terrific. All right, so we continue, and what we'll do it's the new real important information is that 39. Okay, we're gonna watch 39 like a hawk, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, watch it. Pending home sales. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the smart money is gonna do. All right. So a clean break of 39. We know that there's gonna be a continuation all the way to 35. Now, how is that gonna be? Well, I don't think it's gonna be a clean break of 39, right? So, but the reason I'm telling you right now is so that ¿tú estás en Bully?
Sí,
okay, okay, perfect. All right, it's so that when it happens, we are prepared because we are a forward-looking methodology here. Okay. 1, 2, mira para eso. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Mira esa bearish fortune teller. Are you kidding me? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so this wave right here, it's a Y wave, 31.47, and it's a snake wave. All right, so bull, price goes up. All right, bear down, snake sideways. All right, so the high of this snake wave is 47 and the low is 31. Okay, 47, 31. This is a complete snake wave. 47 minus 31, then we are in a 16-point range wave that we are expecting the price to continue breaking it and take it all the way to 49. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, clean break of it's not 39 anymore. Now it's 38. Okay, that's 38, right, Steve?
Yeah.
Okay, terrific. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the support now is 38. Okay, good. All right, so a clean break of 38, the price is going to go to 35. As long as there is no clean break of 38, then we are expecting the price to sometime this year, right?
Yeah.
To go to 49, right? Now this chop, it's not a high probability day trading price action day. It's not. Look at it, right? Look at this chop from 40 to 46. Right, 46 what? 46 half there, a little there. You kidding me? 46 half, right? Let's call it 47, right? All the way from 40, 30, right? 39 half. Okay. All right. We haven't had this type of... So in other words, ladies and gentlemen, listen. A day trader that is been trading since 9 a.m. like we did, like we have.
Capi, we
And-
have uppercut bull.
Bull?
Robot, yeah.
Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So it's getting our forecast that the price is gonna go to 49. It's which is you just heard me stick calling it's an odd enhancer, right? So boom, right, mistake.
Yep, 48.
All right, that's 48. We're gonna call it 48. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the price finally decided to take us a little closer.
To where we want to go.
Okay, to where we're gonna go. Yeah, that's right, that's an uppercut. Pretty good, right?
Yep.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is no juice. This morning is unbelievable. What a day today. right?
Yeah.
What a day for so I'm gonna tell you. Listen, if you want to know who's a very very good trader, is a day trader that is profitable today. All right, look at the chart. We went long 39, and we're holding this baby all the way to 49 for 10 points. It just went to 48, 9 points. You know that our rules, it's okay to get out within a point, give or take a point, depending on the volatility. With this lack of volatility, are you kidding me? You log your green your P&L, and you log green your P&L, and no shenanigans, okay? Because I'm telling you, I'm gonna say it again, we had no idea that today was gonna be such a job, right? Other mornings we have 10, 20, 30, 40 points in a couple of minutes. It's taking us a whole hour because we went long at 9 a.m. Steve. It's taking us a whole hour to make 9 points. Are you kidding? All righty then. Boom, look at this pullback from 48 all the way to 42 in 1 second, right? So this is nasty volatility. We bullish traders, we bulls, we are counting on 38 to hold. Alrighty? Alrighty. Alright, so price goes to 48. That's 1 point quarter below our target of 49. I'm pretty sure that the reason the price just pulled back all the way to 42 is because you guys got out. That's, you got out, and that's why this thing just came back so. So in other words, it took 15 minutes. It took 45 minutes for the price to go up 9 points, and it took 45 seconds, mistake, to lose 6 points. Tell me, right? Is this a tough open or what?
Tough.
Right, but a day like today is a day that you can tell who is an extremely highly qualified, profitable, consistently profitable day trader. Somebody that has done what we did today. In other words, ¿cómo se dice? Hazaña.
A feat.
Great
feat.
This is being a not lasagna, hazaña. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so listen, a trader that is trading and is profitable today, you can tell is a magnificent market reader. Okay?
That's what it's called, a feat.
Okay, because this action, my friends, show me who's done what we've done today on such a tough day. Show me who's been long since 39 and scalping short the high. Tell me. Who's done that in the world? Tell me. Just one. Show me.
Us.
That's right. Look at that mistake. Long 39, main play, expecting the price to go all the way to 49 so that we are after 10 points. But we've known for a whole hour that it's going to be excruciating. And we know that the bears are going to short the highs. So we're taking advantage. And we are counter trending short the highs. Right? And look at that beautiful recoil from 48 all the way to 42. 6 points in 6 microseconds. Right? And the chop begins. And we are only 1 point from target. 1. And all right, number 2 and number 3, we all know that anything can happen any second. So your job is to keep what you have, because this chop can continue easily all morning. I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know what's going on, right?
Right.
Outside, with the government, with the economic release and all that stuff. I have no idea why, and I couldn't care less the fundamentals as to why today, I mean today of all days, is such a tough open. Why is so choppy today? I have no idea. But we day traders, those of us who know how to analyze the price action, then we need to know everything there is to it. Because the smart money, they leave footprints. They cannot hide it. Alrighty? Look at that. 48. Boom, look at this pullback mistake.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so of course, stop breaking, start trailing. Look at this. What a tough day. What a tough morning. Right? Okay, so, and we've known, right? Remember what I said a while back. The reason the bears are shorting the highs, we as a counter trend, and they are doing it as their main play, not us, is because they are expecting the price to take 40 and continue, ladies and gentlemen, all the way to 35. All right, so that's what's giving us the go ahead and counter trend scalp short the highs of this wave. New highs 48. Alrighty, okay, 48. So now we are in a 17-point snake, right? I've been saying snake, right? All right. Even though we are expecting the price to go to 49, that doesn't mean that we are in a bullish wave. It's not. It's a snake. And what do we do when we are in a sideways wave, Misty? What do we do at the top?
Sell the high.
Exactly, and buy the low. That's all there is to it. And on top of all of that, we also know that now 38 is extremely important. I'm expecting 38 not to be taken. If it is, then chances are we're going to change hats to bear, and then we're going to have to trade what we see then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so it's just a matter of more patience, stay the course, and hey, Capi, I already made my 9 points. I got out 48, 47, 48. I still have 2 units left for target 2 and target 3. Is there any way to know if right? Because this is all it. If the price takes target 1 and continue going up, do you know where else is it gonna continue going? Listen, ladies and gentlemen, nobody knows. All right, this is the worst open we've had in a million days. All right, any trader that can do what we did today is an absolute 100% proof that is a big shot professional trader. Any trader that is profitable today is a big shot. And we, ladies and gentlemen, just make 9 points on the way up, and we're scalping the way down. The way down, we're scalping the way down, scalping the way down. Alrighty. Okay. What a tough day, man. What a tough day. Right. But good, if you want to know who is if you want to know who is a absolute total professional trader, you wanna see him trade on a day like today. Because if on a day like today, okay, drop into 38. If on a day like today, you're still profitable and you can still read this like the back of your hand, imagine what you can do on a regular day. Okay, 38.75. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, 38.75. Right? Look at that. right? Okay, so alrighty then. Okay, so we are expecting 38 to hold. Clean break of, remember it was 39 before, now it's 38. Alrighty then. So, right? So like I've been telling you since the open, listen, let's counter trend short the highs. Every time the market takes a new high, let's take it because the price will eventually take that 40 and it's going to continue going to 35. So it's worth it to counter trend the high. The last high was right here, 47. And that trip, 47, we are expecting a continuation to 35. Now we're talking 12 points. Yes, I know, in a counter trend, in a smaller position, but it's okay. It's better than nothing, right? All right. And we know that 38 is the new low. Remember, I brought it down from 39 to 38, and look at that. Price just went to 38 half, ladies and gentlemen. It's unbelievable. You know, how do we know these levels? It's amazing, right? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is one of those days that that being proficient at counter trading is gonna pay off, right? So we're not gonna buy a Lamborghini today with this action, right? But it's not up to us. You know, we can only do what the market gives us, right? Okay, we can only do what the market gives us. Alrighty, all right. Okay, so think about that, ladies. All right. So we know that 38. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I brought it from 39 to 38. Price goes to 39 and a half. Cannot take it, which is exactly what we said was going to happen. Right? Clean of a break of 40. Right? I brought it down to 38. Right? The counter trenders that they are expecting a continuation to 35. It's okay. Perfect. No chévere. You know what I mean? Tranquilo, no sweat. Okay. On the contrary. Okay. Okay, so one thing I know is that the smart money is having a lot of fun destroying the teenagers on YouTube. Alright. You can okay. So, as long as the main play is still bullish, look at that. There's a lot of people right now that think that there has been a change in direction. When the price dropped from 48 all the way to 38, that 10 points in 10 minutes. There's a lot of traders that think that that the main play is now being short. We are short counter trend, the high, and if it is terrific, we know that it'll continue to 35. But the odds, my friend, says that that later on, market is dynamic. It can change hats anytime second, but as of right now, later on, the play is still bullish, and then 49, right, 49.50, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. And remember 29. 29 is a strong support. All right? 29, strong support. Okay, 39, strong support. Okay, 29, strong support. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. The only way that a day trader be profitable today is if they did exactly what we've done. Break low, breakout 39, knowing where the price was gonna go, right? It went to 48, we wanted 49. Within one tick, we done 1 point, we know it's okay. And take advantage and short the high as a counter trend. Okay, is that 37 half, right? So those of you who were waiting for 38, it's the exact level to go long at exactly the level 38. There you have it, right? 38, razor sharp entry, long, and we still believing that the best play is to be long. And ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Hey, what do you mean? We're done. We're not going long the low anymore. This is the last time that we're gonna go long the low of this snake wave. All right. Okay, very important. Okay, so in other words, that counter trend short that we took every time the price broke, gave us a new high, you're still there because you're taking advantage of the 9 point drop from 48 all the way to 38. 10 points. All right. So this is what I think, not what I think, and this is what needs to be done to be able to manage the best possible way the position. We're not gonna go long anymore, and we are now counting for the price. Remember what I told you at 9 a.m. The price will come back down to 40, break it, and continue to 35. That's why we're counter trending short the high. So this is what we want. We want on the next test of the new low, 30 right here, this one 38, 37. We're not going long anymore, and now we want the price to break it and continue to 35. That's not gonna be easy taking it, right? But the same strategy. Stop, break even, and start trading. And now that we're not going long 38, 39 anymore, now we want the price to break it and continue to 35. And then we'll take it from there. 35 is it's going to be a little bounce. Remember that the low of this wave is 31. And we also know that the price is not going to easily take 29. All right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So at this point now, we are trading what we see. Okay. Our trend following methodology, Sadico, is not. Okay. Okay. It's not what we're following now. All right. We are. Okay. We are with our short-term play. Okay. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, we're not gonna buy the lows anymore. 37. You just stay long, right? So this bounce right here, we're kind of okay with stay long. A break of the low is a break of 37. We're out, and we're not gonna buy it again. This is the last time we're going long.
Capi, I have a bullish gold digger.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Good. Oh, that's an odd enhancer.
And not enhancer.
Okay. Price right now 41. Right. 40, 41, and we have an odd enhancer that these bounds it's gonna be here for a while. It's not gonna be easily taken. Again, what a chop open. Right, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great day to practice, basically. Okay. Remember what I told you at the beginning, right? By the time we went long breakout 39, the price had already gone up all the way from 14, if you think about it, right? So it was like adding to a winner, right? Which is one of the most aggressive plays there are. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Tough day.
Oh, yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, no Lamborghini today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so the market is in a new rotation now. So there's going to be a new reading pretty soon. All right, so the new reading is not necessarily the opposite of what we've been doing. Okay, so stay the course. Okay, we're not changing any any anything of what we've already said. Okay. Okay, the market just went out of balance. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, the market just went out of balance. Louis A. The market is out of balance. When the market is out of balance, it's a tough what you might call it. It's a tougher reading. Okay, so in other words, the market moves has different conditions. It's out of balance. It's balanced. It's single cycle, double cycle, half cycle. Okay, one of the toughest read. In other words, one of the toughest, the lowest probabilities that the forecast that I'm giving is going to be highly accurate is low. The market just went. Everybody, the market just went out of balance. All right. With this job, and now the market is out of balance. Our job right now is to keep what we have, and we're gonna stay the course. We're not going long 37 anymore. We still long 37, expecting lip up and down. And the ebb and flow, it lip up and down. This 37, 37, 47, 47, 37, 37, 47. Clean break of 37. We all know that the price is going to 35, and now it's going to continue going 5 more points to 30. Louis, let me stick know if you heard what I just said. Okay, I just want to make sure that you're awake. All right. He did? Okay, great, terrific. All right. It's been a tough day, buddy. All right, so it's amazing, but good, right? Amazing, but good. All righty then, look at that. Price could not take the low, right? Couldn't take, it's testing the low, 37.5. But remember, we're not going long anymore, okay? Because the next break to the downside, in my humble opinion, the market is going to continue. I mean, it's only 2 more points. Look at that. Remember 35? I told you at the open. The market later on is going to break 40 and it's going to continue to 35. That's why we've been shorting the high. Every time we have a new high, we short it counter trend. All right? All right. Okay, and now the market is out of balance and we're getting a new reading. All right? And the chop is excruciatingly not follow through. So this is the worst price action for a day trader. This is the worst price action for a day trader to trade. Period. We haven't had a morning like this in ages. That's all there is to it. All right, so let's continue. Time right now, 10:36. Repeat. We're not going long anymore. The counter trend short that we are on right now, because we've been shorting the highs, because I've been telling you forever that we are in a snake wave, is totally worth it to take it. Goes all the way to 38. We bought it the first time, we bought it the second time, and then I told you we're done, not going long anymore, because the next time the price will break 38. So, it's going to break it and it's going to continue going all the way to 35. So if we know the price is going to break 38 and go down 3 more points, where the hell are we going to buy it? We're not going to buy it. On the contrary, the counter trend short that we are on right now, 47, now, even though it's a counter trend, meaning we have a small position there, remember position size, it's giving us a nice ride, and I'm expecting a continuation to 35, which is what I told you at the open today. Bears are gonna short the high, so it's worth it that we do it too, because the price is gonna break 40 and continue going all the way to 35. It's all recorded. I have it recorded right here. Boom, price goes to 48, drops beautifully, right, all the way to 42. Chop us for half an hour, and it's right on. And then I told you, that's it. We're done. We're not going to buy anymore. Next time it's going to go to 35. Boom. What is this? 35.75, 35 half. And now I am expecting now a continuation all the way to 29.31. So this short that we are on right now, short from 47, first destination is 35. Remember I told you we're going to make 12 points on that short 47. Right? 47 minus 35, that's 12 points. Remember when I told you, hey, listen, this short is going to be okay because now, it's going to be 12 points. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that this is 35 to the tick, isn't it? That's 35 to the tick. All right? All right, so this 35, ladies and gentlemen, now it's a destination. The bears took over short term. All right, listen, we're not in a downtrend. This is nothing. From 50 to 30, that's only 20 points. Good. Let's go ahead and make them. Let's go ahead and make them. All right, so let's ride this baby all the way to 29.31, so let's call it 30. Boom. Right? Look at that. 34. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, remember that the market is out of balance. Okay, so that's why now I know why it's behaving so anemic all morning long. All right, no problem. 34, testing 34. Right. Okay, so that's right. So that's what we think is going on. Right. This break of 40 is a bull squeeze. Meaning, if it's a bull squeeze, that means that the smart money is actually thinking and taking the price back up again. It's just that we're not gonna buy it, right? We're not gonna buy it yet, all right? Until we get us a nice support. Um, uh, and in the meantime, we only have now one play, which is the counter trend short, the high 47, which is there is no main play right now. Okay, this is all short term scalping. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, there is no main play. We were in a main play that we wanted to target 49, and the price only gave us 9 points because it only went to 48. That's gone. All right. Now we're taking advantage of this pullback and expecting the price to continue going all the way to 30 from 47. So we are looking for a 17-point ride, 47 to 30, 30, 31. Just give me a couple of points up. That's 33. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. It took a while, and now you see the importance of counter trend trading. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Look at that. All right. It happens many times. It is the counter trend, the ride that gave us the biggest, the most points. Of course, you cannot do that strategy unless you know exactly, like we did. We knew at the open, right? We knew at the open that the price was gonna break 40 and continue to 35, right? I told you that many times. And that's why we took advantage of shorting counter trend. Well, we're gonna counter trend the high, take advantage of that break of 40 to 35, which is now 33. So we have a couple points more bonus, and we're gonna ride it all the way to 29, 30, 31, which is the low of the current snake wave, right? Remember, I gave you those parameters a long time ago. All right, 32 half. 32 half, my friends. Okay, look at that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, looking good, right? Looking pretty good. What a job, right? Isn't this the best job in the world? We had no idea what was going to happen, but as long as you are in complete control all the time, and you know exactly what the bulls are doing, you know exactly what the bears are doing, you know exactly what the snakes are doing, and you know exactly what the whistles are doing, then that's the only way that you can manage your position, get out of this one, let the other one ride, be in only in one position, be in two positions, be flat. How are you gonna manage? How are you gonna manage any position at all if you don't know what everybody else is doing? Right? It's the only way. All right, then. Think about that. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, and the market is out of balance. What can I say? It's a tough. Right, it's all right. Think about it. We still manage to. We still manage to to be to be profitable one more day, like we are every single day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 40 is now the first, 41 is now the first resistance. Okay? All right, so we won, let's see here, it's the first resistance, but the price action is completely and totally a continuation of a size action direction. Okay, time right now, 10:51. Believe it or not. Okay. Every trade that we take must have seven major components. Number one, and the most important of them all, is trend direction. Hey, listen, this thing gonna go, all right? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go sideways? What the hell is it gonna do? Right? Trend direction. It's number one. Number two is the entry location. Hey, listen, if we're gonna go long, what's the best place to get in so that we can have the best risk reward ratio? And then once we make that decision, we need to absolutely know at what point is this trade, this setup gonna be invalidated. That's our stop right there, like I've been telling all morning. And then I gotta tell you, it's right there with direction. Important is the destination, right? It's number four, targets. And then number five is the position size. Position size is only done by the highest and the most professional traders in the planet. Position size. You cannot do the same position size in the main play and in the counter trend. Counter trend by definition is a play against what we believe to be the main direction. However, just like today, that we've been counter trending short the highs over and over again, because since the open I said price is going to later on it's gonna break 40 and it's gonna continue going all the way to 35. Look at the price right now, 32, right? As a counter trend. So we take the counter trend with a smaller position size on the same account. So we are long the ES, the main play, until we're not anymore, and then we are short the micros. That's easy. It's a piece of cake. We're not in two positions all the time. Only when the market environment is conducive to taking it. For example, $49 was target one when we went long 39. Remember, break of 39, easy pull. That's a immediate counter trend short, because the reason target one is a target in a long position is because it's resistance. So we take advantage of that resistance. It's not gonna work 100% of the time, but look at what happened today. The main plate's being long all this time. It only gave us 9 points. And look at the counter trend. Yes, I know, with as much, with the micros, right? Or if you trade 10 ES, you can do it with 3, 4 ES on another account. That's the easiest thing in the world to have, right? But just do the ES and the micros on the same account. It's extremely easy. You have it in front of you. Right? You have the ES and the micros right there. You have your entire platform. Looking at it. And then there was a point, and we're not long and short all the time. No. We are long, the lowest low, and we are short the highest high. That, my friend, can only be done by an extreme professional, somebody that's, I don't know, I can do it because I've been trading the S&P 500 for 37, 38 years. I'm almost 40 years now, exclusively, all right? 40 years trading the S&P 500. This is not, I mean, it's not that complicated. I mean, are you kidding me? We were long 39, the ES, and short 47, the micros. I mean, that's not complicated. All right. We don't do it all the time. For example, right now we're not long because I told you we're not gonna go long 38 anymore because the next time the price break is it's on its way to 35. So we're not gonna go long and the low. So we are right now we are only short. The short turned out to be a longer move than the long. It happens all the time. There's a lot of people that don't counter trend. So those people that don't counter trend, they're not short right now. They only made 9 points today on our breakout, and they're done for today. Or they're waiting for the price to go to 29 so that we can go long 29. Because remember what I said, I'm expecting a bounce off of 29. That's a long. So we are all waiting for it, and we hope that the price goes there before 11:30, because at 11:30 the odds even decrease even more and more. So it's gonna get tougher and tougher. However, long story short, a trader that is profitable today is a very good trader. All right, a trader that was able to do everything that we did today, it's an amazing trader. All right. All right. So let me know if you got it, if you understood. Listen, it takes a while for depending on the experience of the trader, it takes a while to to understand our system here. Okay, but after a while, it's just a no-brainer. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So price goes to 32. Okay. Look at that. 32, right? Remember? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, amazing. Okay, terrific. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, so we were expecting a bounce off of 29, 31. Price goes to 32. What do you think happened right here at 32? Bulls just jumping the gun. Right? Okay, so for example, look, right? Remember, we are in a snake. Snake is sideways, right? So we buy the low, sell the high. That's trading 101. So the high is 47 and the low is 31 with a range of 2 points of support, 29, 31, right? 29, 30, 31. It's a 2-point range. Okay. No, nothing, very easy to understand. Okay. 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 All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Those of you who jumped the gun and went long 32, just couldn't wait for our support. 29, 31, right? You have to have you have to have some coconuts, right, to jump the gun on this price action day. What a day. 39. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 41, 42 is resistance. Okay? Alrighty then. Look at this. So in other words, bulls and bears, they're making money here. It all depends where you get in, and it all depends. It all depends how you manage your position. We went long 39, and the price gave us a 9 point move. We went short 47, and the price giving us a 15 point ride. We were totally ready to go long 29, 30, right? And look at this bounce from 32 all the way to 38, almost 39, right? So in other words, it might if you tell somebody that there is a system in which you take advantage of every single major move, they're not gonna believe you. Who the hell is gonna believe that? Anybody that is being day trading for nothing, somebody that is being an amateur, somebody that is really new on this, all right? That has been trading for 4, 5, 6 years only. New, just started trading full time. They're not gonna believe it that there is a system that you can take advantage of every single move. Look at this. We took a look, step back and look at your chart and look at what happened since the open, since 9 a.m. our open, 9 a.m. Look at what happened. We were long at 9 a.m., 39, all the way to 48, and we went short 47 all the way until now. Look at this. These are the two moves that the market has done today in a extremely choppy price action. Look at it. It's unbelievable. Just look at it.